colorectal carcinoma. It is carcinoma which is originating from the walls of the large intestine, that is colon and rectum. Colon consists of ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, and the sigmoid colon, leading to the rectum and the anal canal outlet. So these are the various parts of the large intestine of the digestive system of human being. So the carcinoma arising from the walls of the large intestine, that is termed as collectively colorectal carcinoma, which may arise from walls of the colon or from the rectum or collectively simultaneously from both the parts of the large intestine. It usually arises at the age of 40 years and onwards, most common in men as compared to the women, and almost 95% type is adenocarcinoma, whereas other types they are less common, squamous carcinoma, and it is the third commonmost carcinoma amongst the human being worldwide. Etiology and pathogenesis. Age factor, congenital predisposition due to the abnormal genes that produces abnormality in the structure and the function of the DNA of the large colon tissues. DNA is the main controlling center of the cell that commands, and accordingly the cells undergo the and obey the orders of the DNA for its development, its mitosis, division, and progress, and the functions. So when it is distorted, disorganized, and become abnormal in function, the DNA orders to produce replication of the cells, cancerous cells, unlimited, uncontrolled, useless, and harmless, leading to formation of the tumors. And these tumors in large intestine occlude or produces obstruction in the pathway of the fecal passage. So that produces the various symptoms. In addition to these, there is also polyps formation, which are benign, adenomatous polyps, which undergo sometimes due to certain unreasons, especially the dietary factors, they undergo dysplasia, that is carcinogenesis process, and they are converted from benign to malignant carcinoma or tumor. So if early screening is done and polyps are detected and observed by the diagnostic instruments, that can be resected, removed out of the gut, and there are greater chances to prevent the formation of carcinoma, that is colorectal carcinoma. In addition to these, dietary factors, red meat, processed meat, low fiber diet, limited intake of the purified water, sedentary habits, if you do not take regular exercises, so that also enhances and potentiates the possibility of the cancer cells obesity, diabetes, unhealthy diet, streptococcal infection, and the pathogenic E. coli presence in the gut also are the risk factor for the protection of the colorectal carcinoma. So these are the various main factors: familial factors, diet factor, pathogenic factors, and the polyposis. That is the mostly the benign adenomatous polyposis that leads to the formation of the colorectal carcinoma.